The universe is vast, but every great journey begins by looking up. A warm greetings and good morning to everyone present here. It's me, Jenny Karai from grade 91, standing before you all to present a short but interesting topic, the space. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond those beautiful shining stars? The space is vast and mysterious place full of galaxies, stars, and many more. Our Milky Way galaxy, black hole, solar system are also the part of the universe. Space exploration has helped us understand about our universe and has also improved the life on Earth with the help of GPS, weather forecasting, and satellite communication. From the first moon landing to mission to Mars, humans still continue to push the boundaries of discovery. In conclusion, space has reminded us that even though our planet might be small, but our dreams are limitless. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.